Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so what I want to focus on in this video here is something that's really interesting and something that tells me that silver is going to make some wildcat moves pretty soon. Now when that'll be, it might be now, it might be next few months, it might, who knows, right? Who knows? But one thing I do say is that as gold has been moving quite nicely, pretty much for the entire year, we had a bit of a pullback there for 3 or 4 months this year, but gold overall has been in a nice upward trend for the last 6 months plus, okay? Again, we had 2 or 3 months of sideways, not much going on, but overall big move, especially recently as well. Where silver hasn't actually done anything, right? Silver has just been that one that's just not really doing much. So I do believe silver will catch up, and when that happens, we're going to see some pretty big moves. And you can see here, this is the gold to silver ratio. And so as you can see, right, this is over the last sort of 100 years. Let me go to the maximum, right? You can see the maximum here of where it goes to. This is almost at 100. The thing is that this tells you here, obviously it's the gold to silver ratio. So this tells me here that this absolute high point up here was almost 99. Whenever silver gets to there, or when the silver gold ratio gets to there, that tells you that silver is so undervalued and we're about to see some pretty big moves in the markets. Same for the vice versa on the downside, right? So, but look what's happening right now. We're almost at the 90 level when it comes to the silver gold ratio. And so that tells me that very soon, if gold continues the way it's going right now, silver is going to make some pretty big moves in the markets. And so you can see here, right, because the thing is it's the silver gold ratio. So therefore, as gold has been strong and silver hasn't been doing anything, there will come a time where silver starts to catch up. In some pretty big way to gold as well too. So this is the silver gold ratio here. It's telling me this is telling me that, well, without even looking at this, I know that silver. I know the way that silver works. It's a bit of a volatile wildcat. So I do see that silver is likely to catch up to gold, but we just don't know when that's going to happen. But looking at this silver gold ratio right now tells me that it won't be too long before silver starts to make some nice moves to the upside and starts to catch up to gold. Make sure you head on down to mastertraderlab.com to grab your free trial to the complete Master Trader Lab. Now, in the Master Trader Lab, you're going to get the complete Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course. This is 12 videos long, chart reading, foundations. You've got 2 amazing trading systems in there and so much more. You're also going to get bonuses as well too. That's a framework to a successful trader. This is a complete trading course here. Also, you're going to get the chart reading mastery course and also the chart reading advanced mastery course. And also, you're going to get the millionaire bonus mindset course. This is actually my 7-figure mentor. There's 8 videos here teach you all about the mindset. Plus also there's a massive bonus package there, interviews and so much more in the Master Trader Lab, and I'm giving you a free trial to that right now. So head on down to mastertraderlab.com to grab your free trial right now.